80,000 people, 4,000 exhibitors. It's the place to be right now.
And you're going to show us some items that are being featured at the CES.
Yes.
What do you got in your hands?
Well, so you may not know it, but last year a war.
The U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Hawaii. A missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a building. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building or lay on the floor. We will announce when the threat has ended. This is not a drill. Take immediate action measures.
An administrative message, from the U.S. Pacific Command in conjunction with the Governor of Hawaii. There is no missile threat to the state of Hawaii. Repeat. False alarm. It has been confirmed that a worker at the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency pressed the wrong button, and sent out a false alert. Repeating, there is no missile threat to Hawaii at this time.